So over here, you can see that I have a mural file right here. And if you want to know what has been happening with your mural and what activities there has been, then you can go around over here onto the top right here and click on activity, and you will see all of the activities right here. As you can see, for example, there's this exported the mural as zip file and so forth. So everything I've done with the mural, you can see the history is recorded. You can go around over here and see that I actually recovered this out. So I created an icon right here. So especially when you have multiple users working around with the mural file, then you will be able to see all of the details right here. So if other members were to make any changes, they'll be able to see it in the activity. And as you click, you can show and hide the activity, as you can see as well, as you can see right here. So that is how you can work around with activity and see the history of a file inside of Mural. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.